Welcome to our next session, the sentence and its kinds. In the first session, we complete the what is a sentence and we understood and we found the definition of a sentence and classified how many types. That also we learned. 4 types of sentences are there. What are they? Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentences. These are the 4 types of sentences while we are speaking. Isn't it, children? While we are writing and reading. Okay. Then in the first session itself, we completed about the assertive sentence. How many types of assertive sentence? 2 types. What are they? Affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Now we are saying about the interrogative sentence. That is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Here, children, when they explain, that means the first part, we understood that it should be have a negative word, the question word or and the question mark. Question word and the question mark. Isn't it, children? Now we are getting some examples here. Here, first one is what is your name? What's your name? Naturally, we are doing the question mark here. What's your name? Question word is here and question mark is there. That is the interrogative sentence. Then we can write few more examples also. Here, do you go to school? To school. Here also putting question mark and here the question word is do. Here WHAT what. What's your name? Here question word is what and question mark. But in the second sentence do, does, did. These are the question words. Then question mark. Do you go to school? Do you go to church? Do you go to temple? Okay. Do you go to park? So this is the interrogative sentence. Then the third example is did. Did you write your homework? Here also question mark. Here did. Here do. Did, do is in the present form and did is in the past form, past tense. Did you write your homework? So here question word is did and the question mark. These are the examples of interrogative sentence. Then fourth one is where are you going? Where are you going? Here never put the full stop. Okay, children? Put the question mark. Where are you going? In an interrogative sentence, we should write where. That is a question word and the question mark. In this sentence, WHERE, where. Where is the question word and question mark. So, interrogative sentence. Then the fifth sentence is how old, O-L-D, old are you? How old are you? Here question mark. Here the question word is how. Isn't it, children? Now in these 5 sentences, we can say this is the question word. WHAT, what is the question word? Do is the question word, did, did, where, where, and how, how. In these sentences, C question marks are compulsory. These are the interrogative sentences. Okay, children? Now the third sentence is imperative. Imperative sentence. We will see the examples of imperative sentence. The first one is, we should understand that when a sentence becomes the imperative sentence, 3-4 things are there. Order, suggestions, advice or a request, you understand, children? What is it? In the imperative sentence, that means order, someone should order you. So suggestion, you are getting some suggestion from others, and advice, you are getting advice, and a request, someone is requesting you something. These are the sentences will comes under the imperative sentence. We'll see, children. The first example is, please open the door. Open the door. Here full stop only, children. Sentence is a group of words. Here also 4 words are there. Isn't it? Please open the door. When we are using the please, children, we are asking something from someone. That time we are using the please. Please give me your pen. Please come with me. Okay, that way. So please open the door. That is a request. Isn't it, children? This is a request. Here, second one is, always help the poor. Always help the poor. That is a suggestion. Okay, we should help the poor always. That also comes under the imperative sentence. The next one is, please close the gate. Please close the gate. That also a request. Isn't it, children? The next one is, you don't go there. You don't go there. That means order. You don't go there. You don't come here. Isn't it? That is also imperative sentence. Here the sentence is type of order. Isn't it? Then next number 4. Number 5. Fifth one is, pray to God. Pray to God. Pray to God. That is advice. That is advice. The next, number 6, respect your parents. Respect your parent. This also type of advice. Isn't it? In the imperative sentence, we should get order, suggestion, advice, or a request. Please open the door. That is the request for. Always help the poor. That is a suggestion. Please close the gate. Again, that is a order or request. You don't go there. That is an order. Isn't it? Pray to God. It's a suggestion. Respect your parents' advice. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn about the exclamatory sentence. The fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Three we completed here, children. Assertive, interrogative, imperative, and now exclamatory. Exclamatory sentences are surprise. How, what, such words we are using. We are using how, oh what, surprises. We are getting surprise. That only exclamatory sentences. We should use the symbol of exclamatory. Then how, H-O-W, how wise she is. Oh, how wise she is. That is exclamatory sentence. How wise she is, how beautiful, how pretty. Okay. Then next, number 2. What a lovely doll. What a lovely doll it is. Doll it is. That is also someone is giving us something, a beautiful pen. Oh, what a beautiful sentence. That is also exclamatory sentence. Number 3. What a pretty girl. What a pretty girl it is. Girl she is. So third one is what a pretty girl she is. Here we use the it is. This is in the bracket. It is, why we use it, children? It's a thing. That's why we use the it. This is a girl, human. So we use that she. That is also exclamatory simple. Then next, number 4. What a beautiful flower it is. Beautiful flower it is. Here also we are getting some surprises. What a beautiful flower it is. Then next, how delicious. How delicious cake it is. So these are the exclamatory sentences. Examples of exclamatory sentences. Now we discussed 4 types of sentences. What is a sentence and types of sentences? Then first one is assertive. Assertive sentence again classified into 2, that is affirmative and negative. Then second one is interrogative. Third one is imperative. Fourth one is exclamatory sentences. We now discussed and I think you understood also. Okay, children? Now we are getting an exercise for you, children. Here, textbook page 81. First sentence is, you should select or choose which type of sentence that is. First one I am writing, stop writing. First sentence is stop writing. Just I started the writing. Yeah, which type of sentence, children? Stop writing. That is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Then second one is never tell lies. Never tell lies. That is which type of sentence? That is also imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Okay, then third question is what nonsense. What nonsense. See here, what is this symbol, children? So you can understand that exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Then next number 4. Next number 4. Is she your sister? Is she your sister? S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Here this is a question. The question word is. I-S is. So that will become the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Okay, children. The next number 5. What a lovely flower. What a lovely flower. Exclamatory. That is exclamatory. Exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. The next one is number 6. Sonu sings sweet songs. Sweet songs. That is full stop. That is will come assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. How will you understand, children? That is a statement and a full stop. So we'll consider as that assertive sentence. Now 7th one. Why is the child crying? Why is the child crying? Why is the child crying? Here question mark and the question word. So what will become? That is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. The next 8th one. How beautiful the Taj is. How beautiful the Taj is. Exclamatory. So what will become that? Exclamatory sentence. That is exclamatory sentence. Okay. The 9th one. My sister has got this book. My sister has got this book. That is a statement. So this will become the assertive sentence. This is a sentence only. Assertive sentence. Okay. Then 10th one. Always respect your teachers. That is suggestions only, no? So, what will become? Always respect your teachers. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Okay. Then, 11th one. I'll write at that side. 11th one. Miss Madhu teaches us English. Teaches us English. That is a statement. So, assertive sentence. This is also assertive sentence. Then 12th one. The girls were plucking flowers. That was also a sentence. So, that also will become the assertive sentence. Then 13th one. Was the moon shining at night? Shining at night. That is also question word and a question mark. So, that will come the interrogative sentence. These are the exercise, children. Once again, we will repeat. First one is stop writing. That is imperative sentence. Second one is never tell lies. That is also imperative sentence. What nonsense? That is exclamatory sentence. The symbol of this. Is she your sister? Question word and question mark. That is interrogative sentence. What a lovely flower. Here exclamatory. So, exclamatory sentence. Sonu sings sweet songs. That is a statement. So, assertive sentence. Why is the child crying? Question. Interrogative sentence. How beautiful the Taj is. Exclamatory sentence. My sister has got this book. That is a statement. So, assertive sentence. Always respect your teachers. That is a suggestion. So, imperative sentence. Here, Miss Madhu teaches us English. That is also a statement. Assertive sentence. The girls were plucking flowers. That is also a statement. So, assertive sentence. Was the moon shining at night? Was is the question word and the question mark. So, interrogative sentences. Now, we completed the lesson 1, the sentence and its kinds. We learned that what is a sentence and types of sentence and different types of the sentences and the examples also. Page number 79 to 81. You write in the classwork and homework book also. Learn well, children. Thank you.